Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I have no idea what I'm doing, none whatsoever. I have this Morphe palette in front of me. This is the 35B Colour Burst palette. I have this right in front of me, don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do something today. Do you know what, I'm not even going to look at my Instagram anymore to see what I've done because it's foggying up my creative mind, you know. So I'm just going to go for something now. I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Puffs, which is this nice like Cheeto orange colour. I am going to pack this on my lid. Why not? Then I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Pom Pom. I'm going to take this light pink. No idea what I'm doing, I'm just going with it, you know. And I'm just going to pack this on right where the orange stops. Here. Going back and forth into the palette. And then I'm going to kind of dust off the rest of the powder. I'm just going to kind of buff this out. I do like bringing product into like my brow area, like just right underneath it. I don't know, I kind of like the look of it. I'm kind of living for this look, just like how it is, no shimmer, no nothing, just a plain blend. Like, I feel summery, I feel nice, I feel cute. I'm kind of digging it. It might just be this and a bit of pop of colour, and I'm just going to name it my summer look because I'm kind of digging this. It's very neon, it's bright, it's making me excited for my holidays. Like, I'm going to take the same Puffs colour, which is that orange that I used. I'm just going to blend this on my lower lash line. I don't actually have a smaller brush available at the moment, so this will have to do. Then back again with that Pom Pom colour. We're going to buff this out. Only slightly, or else it's going to look like I've got like some baggy eyes. We don't want that. We want to look lifted. Up to the heavens. Well, okay, I've changed my mind. I want to add a little bit of shimmer. So I'm going to add this, which is one of my most favourite eyeshadow toppers. It is from Topshop. It's called Shuffle the Cards. It's fantastic. I love it. I'm going to put some on. So just on my finger, first to the middle of the eye. It's like gold, but it also has like red to it, and it's beautiful. So I'm going to add that to the centre first. More to the centre, and then patting on the outside. You know, if you're not really familiar with like how to use brushes and how to blend, your fingers are like the starting point. So tap on or like brush down to really pack on the colour, then pat 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 everywhere else. Then taking some I Heart Revolution Goddess of Faith highlighter. I'm going to take some of that. I'm going to put that on my inner corner of my eyes, like so. Under the arch of my eyebrows too. You can never go wrong with highlight, honestly. Okay, so I'm going to wear my favourite lashes at the moment, which are the Pinky Goat Ream lashes, which are like super natural, but still there, you know, glam, but like still there. So I'm going to wear these. Okay, so my eyelashes are on, so I am going to do some lining now. I am going to use the Maybelline Tattoo Liner in brown, bold brown, which is a nice brown liner. I'm going to do that to tight line up here by the lashes, and then I'm going to use the Lottie London AM to PM Kohl Eyeliner Pencil in Sunburst for my lower lash line. The only reason I do this is so that the lashes and the in-between part, so it doesn't look like the lashes are just stuck on, so it kind of looks like continuity, you know. It's just literally coming out of my eye skin, you know, my actual where my eyelashes are. So that's done. So now it looks a little bit better, and I'm going to take the Sunburst and I'm going to put it on my lower lash line, in my waterline. Okay, so not gonna lie to you, I've had an 8-hour shift at work. This is old makeup from the morning, like very old makeup. So I've already got my highlight and my blush, my bronzer, everything's on. So I'm just gonna top it up, and I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlighter in Snowflake. I'm gonna pat her out. She comes up a little chunky. I don't know if you can see. She comes out a little chunky, but she pigmented as hell. So I'm just gonna top this up. And for YouTube and for Instagram, you know your girl loves to gleam. I won't be going out after this. I'll be taking my pictures, and then I'll be having my bath. You know how it is. You finish a long 8-hour shift in retail. You do your makeup for the gram and for the tubes, and then you take it off. It's just how it is. I love a good Cupid's bow highlight, especially if I'm gonna wear gloss, which I haven't decided if I'm gonna do that yet. I probably will. Like, this is gloss season. I think every season is gloss season, to be honest, for me. Mattes, I don't know. The only time I'll wear matte is in autumn, the fall, if you guys are American, and I'll wear like a matte burgundy. That's probably the only time. Okay, so I'm going to take the Intense Colour Lip Liner in TLC by Anyway, and I'm going to line my lips. I'm going to line them, then I'm going to fill it in with some gloss, of course. I specifically picked out a lip liner that's not too brown. I kind of want it to match up with my eye look, you know. Now I'm going to take this lip gloss, which is Glossed Supercharged Gloss Oil Tint. Oh, I didn't know that. By Lottie London. This is in Drenched. I just bought this. They're on clearance right now, and I get that stuff discount. So I bought a load of different things. And this is kind of cute. This is a nice peachy nude lip gloss. Okay. Now to finish this all off, excuse me, I need to brighten this up. This feels more like a summer look, so I need to glow this up. Okay, so even though it says MAC Fix Plus Gold Light, it's actually the Makeup Revolution, Glow Revolution. The spray top, it's not working, so I had to transfer it. So this is in Eternal Gold. So I'm going to start off with that. I'm going to spray this. When I say spray, I mean a lot of it. Nice. And just before it gets dry, I have this Art Deco Sparkly Dust powder. Crystal Beauty Dust, apparently. And yeah, it's a little pump bottle, excuse me. And while it's wet, it's powder, it will stick. So I'm going to take that same powder from I Heart Revolution, and I'm just going to pat it right in. Just go for it, you know. Just go for it. Like, who is going to be seeing me after this? No one. Okay, so there you go. This is my final look. A random look that I created, and I love it. It's giving me nail inspo, so like when I go away for my holidays, I'm thinking neon, like neon for my nails. So yeah, I went a bit overboard. It's even like changed the color of my shoulder. But yeah, this is the final look. I kind of dig it. Not gonna lie. So this is the look. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.